Hi guys, my name is Tin and today I'm going to review the KMOO's NoFox 60% keyboard. The keyboard comes in black and white and you can pair it with the option of Gateron black, blue, brown, and red switches. Inside the box, this keyboard comes with the keyboard, USB-C cable, key switch puller, the keycap puller, manual, and 3 extra switches for you to try. They are Gateron green, yellow, and white. This keyboard is quite sturdy. On the back of this keyboard there's 2 little feet for you to raise the keyboard up by 8.5 degrees parallel to the desk. Has a USB-C hole to plug in. You can switch between Windows and Mac mode, on and off for Bluetooth. This keyboard weighed about 1 pound 7 ounces. It has 13 light modes. This keyboard supports 5.1 Bluetooth and it can support up to 3 devices, not including the wire connection. Currently I have my keyboard connected to my desktop via wire. And you can pair it to 3 more devices. Now for the sound test. This is a sound comparison between Gateron Brown and the MX Cherry Brown. Overall, I really like the keyboard. It is currently available on Amazon for $89.99 USD. I hope you guys like my review on the K-Move Snowfox keyboard. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Bye. This keyboard weighs about 1 pound. I set an alarm. What are you doing?
Change the focus. The closer you move, because you're in manual mode. I set it right here. This distance. But if you bring it closer, it's gonna get blurry. Now bring it up. Bring it up.
No. What? Don't adjust it. Don't adjust it.
No, it's not gonna change it automatically. I adjusted it when you brought it up. Now move it back down. Now watch. Blurry. So I had to adjust it to this one. Now bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Not gonna see it because you're not that far away. You're closer.
What if I do this?
Yeah,
Okay.
that works. That's why cameraman